Today I'm going to walk you through how to remove a password from your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever been sent a PDF with a password and you're tired of entering it every time, or maybe you just need to share it more easily with someone who doesn't have the password, this quick tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to unlock your PDF, remove that password protection, and save yourself a lot of hassle down the road. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up Adobe Acrobat and pull up the PDF that's currently password protected. You'll notice, usually right on the left side of your window, there's a little padlock icon. That padlock is a visual indicator that your PDF is under lock and key. That means it's secured, and you'll need a password to make significant changes or even sometimes just to view the document. If you see that padlock, don't worry, it's easy to unlock as long as you know the password. Now on the right-hand side of your Acrobat workspace, you'll see a group of tool options. Look for the Protect option. Clicking Protect takes you into the security settings for your PDF. A lot of people miss this step because you might think the padlock means you do everything from the left, but actually all the important security options are found on the right side. Once you're in the Protect panel, look for Advanced options. Sometimes these are tucked away. You might need to expand a menu or click a little arrow to show more choices, so don't be afraid to poke around if you don't see it immediately. Under Advanced options, you should see Remove Security. That's the magic button. Clicking Remove Security will prompt Acrobat to ask you for the document's password one last time. It needs to make sure you're authorized to take off the protection. Take a moment here, type in the password carefully. If you mistype it, Acrobat won't let you go further, but don't stress, you can try again. Once you enter the correct password, Acrobat will remove the protection instantly. It might seem almost too easy after all the clicks, but that's really all there is to it. The next step is to close and save your document. This is super important. After you remove the password, you want to make sure those changes stick. So go up to File, hit Save, and then close the document. If you skip this, the security might still be there the next time you open it. Now to double-check your work, reopen the PDF. This is just a quick sanity check. When you open it again, you shouldn't see that padlock icon on the left side anymore, and you won't be prompted for a password. That's when you know the job is done, and that's all there is to it. Removing a password from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat is straightforward as long as you know where to click and why each step matters. Don't worry if it takes a few tries the first time. With practice, you'll be able to do this in under a minute. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments. I always check and reply. And if you want more practical how-tos just like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.